Here's the question. Riddle me this. Do you love travel photography? Do you wish that you could take incredible travel photos and edit them like a professional? Do you? Do you? Do you? If the answer is yes, then subscribing to my YouTube channel is exactly what you want to do. My name's Jacob and I'm here to teach you everything that you could possibly want to know about taking awesome travel photos. In the next 2 weeks, I'm quitting my job and spending the next few years traveling around the world. I'm going to be hitting up Indonesia, Australia, Canada, South America, and the list is endless. This is the beginning of my YouTube story, and all I want to do is 1. Share all of my experiences with you, 2. Teach you how to take incredible photos and videos, and 3. To edit them like an expert. I want to share all of my little tips and tricks that'll help you take photos like this and turn them into edits like this. Boom! If you're new to photography, or even a seasoned pro, hit that subscribe button, grab some caffeine, and join me on my creative journey. I hope to see you on the other side.